Hello, I'm Carl Jiang, the software team lead of the QCT Telecom Solution Division. Today, we would like to talk about QCT's contribution and the planning of the open source, especially for the network slicing. QCT's parent company is Quanta Computing, a Fortune Global 500 corporate in 2006. Quanta branched into cloud and got a big entry into the business when Facebook approached it about procuring servers. We have managed to work with all the largest cloud providers, and we have learned a lot about deploying massive scale infrastructure in a cloud data center. As you might know, in 2018, QCT is devoting itself to enter into telecom market. Moreover, the previous experience of deploying massive scale infrastructure in cloud data center was appealing to Rakuten, which wanted to build its telecom infrastructure cloud data center as a cloud model. Following slide, we will elaborate QCT telecom product portfolio and what community we join as a contributor. This slide showcases QCT's telecom portfolio from data center to edge side. We have end-to-end hardware product portfolio to fulfill various workload and different locations. At the same time, we build our strong telecom ISP ecosystem from hardware NVI to VNF layer. We would like to deliver the reliable NVI solution to customers. From the left side to the right side, as you can see, we have our own user equipment. We work with the partner to provide 5G RRU AAU solution. And we also work with partner to provide a front home switch. We have our own BBU solution. We have our own 5G core solution. We build up all the system to the 5G DC. We mentioned on the NVI and the VNF layer. How about the monopole? Based on the AC NV architecture, the monopole actually it includes virtual infra manager, VNF manager, and the NV orchestrator. While the architecture be open, how to monitor and manage a complex end-to-end infrastructure, multiple platform, and the dynamic resource utilization will be significant. Operator will need a single pane of glass dashboard to telemetry and manage network infrastructure and the services. Therefore, in the monopole, QCT embrace open source and join as the contributor in the ONAP community. We will elaborate more detail in the following slides. The QCT NV Director enables monitoring and management for NVI, VNF mono integration, and admin management. In this stage, our team focuses on developing physical infra features. The administrator can manage physical infrastructure from data center to devices, and also can use the auto deployment tool in daily deployment. Now, what we are going to see is the data center management part. QCT model portfolio includes multiple functions, including auto deployment tool, telemetry, VNFM, and NVO. For the VNFM and the NVO, we adopt ONAP as our product candidate to manage and orchestrate VIN and VNF services. On the telemetry part, QCT team developed this feature with multiple open sources, including Grafana, Prometheus, Telegraph, and EFK. For the auto deployment tool part, Ansible is one of the key elements we adopted. QCT embraced to open source in mono product. It's believed the open community is driven open and standard interface to provide operator to have easy monitor and management platform. In this network slicing use case, QCT focuses on the collecting and management of the KPI. As you can see in the center of this slide, we leverage the data lake module to store multiple KPI from different formats. The 5G KPI play the role to collect the KPI from the network function. During the design time stage, administrator could onboard the NSD model for the KPI monitoring. During the runtime stage, DCAE run the onboarding model and start the data exposure server for external network slicing processing. We also provide the user interface in UUI module to allow the administrator to list and check the KPI data. In QCT's point of view, network slicing should be an end-to-end solution. So we believe the next step of this use case is to integrate with the 5G NR solution. To integrate with the GNOV, ORAN is a very important target for the integration. ORAN workgroup 2 and 3 define the non-real-time RIC and the near real-time RIC. We can further integrate with non-real-time RIC to provide the end-to-end network slicing solution. In addition to the integration of ORAN RIC, QCT would like to include the AI predictive model into the use case. We propose to provide advanced resource management on RAN side. To achieve this target, we will integrate the Acumus module with the ONAP and the ORAN RIC to provide the AI model management. Acumus is a project under Linux Foundation. Acumus provides a marketplace to manage the trained models. From this slide, DCAE sends the performance metrics to the training platform to train the model. The trained model will go through the model catalog in non-real-time RIC and deploy to the near real-time RIC to provide a predictive service to enhance the management of the RAN. In summary, QCT entered into telecom market not only on the physical layer but also working with multiple ISV infra and the VNF vendors. We would like to deliver a truly end-to-end integration solution to operator. On the hardware layer, QCT designed our system with the leading Intel platform time by time. Also, we do the BIOS tuning, data plan, and the performance tuning in the infrastructure layer, including OpenStack, OpenShift, and the Kubernetes. On the application and the model layer, QCT works with communities, partners, and the customer to build our reference architecture. Moreover, QCT embraces open source with the leading community like ONAP, ORAN, and ONAP to make operators transform the legacy infrastructure to open architecture. QCT joined ONAP community several projects including data lake project, intelligent power management, and the network slicing project. In addition to ONAP for the 5G end-to-end IoT test ecosystem, last year QCT joined ORAN Plugfest and worked with Redis software partner to make the end-to-end IoT work. QCT provides the DU/CU server and work with partner to deploy and integrate the software layer. For this year, we are joining AC Plugfest with Wind River. We target on the virtualization and the container-based IoT test. In summary, QCT joined open source community to contribute our effort to help the industry moving forward. We hope you enjoy the session and see you soon. Thank you.